In this video, how to hire employees on LinkedIn. I will show you step by step how to hire employees using LinkedIn. First, open the LinkedIn app on your phone or go to the LinkedIn website. Log in to your account using your email and password. After logging in, go to the top menu of the platform. Now click the option called Jobs. Inside the Jobs page, click Post a Job. Now you need to enter the job details. Type the job title you want to hire for. Enter the job location. Choose whether the job is on-site, remote, or hybrid. Now add a detailed job description. Explain the responsibilities of the role. Include the skills required for the candidate. Provide the qualifications and requirements. After that, review all the job information. Click Continue to proceed. Choose the job posting option. You can select a free or sponsored job listing. Now click Post Job to publish the position. After posting, candidates can submit applications. You can review the profiles of interested candidates. Contact the most qualified applicants. This is how you can hire employees using LinkedIn.